Hey guys, welcome, come on in. I just wanted to give you guys a quick look at this open house. This is Latasha with Lux Living with Latasha. We had open house today, about 20 people. As you can see, this house has been completely renovated. This is a beautiful open entryway. You can pretty much see the whole house from here, even the pool from about 3 sides of the house. So this way is a formal living area, sitting area with a fireplace. There's actually 3 fireplaces in this house. One included in the master bedroom and one in the other living area. This house was actually built in '94, but they have completely redone everything so it looks like a brand new house. Back here is a guest bathroom on the bottom level. All the rest of the rooms and bathrooms are upstairs outside of the master, and then there's an actual office here with custom cabinetry, custom. I love what they did with the house. Like I said, it was built in '93, but they've pretty much redone the entire house. It has the consistent molding on the ceilings, included in the shelving as well. Again, you can see the pool for pretty much 3 parts of the house. There's a small door right there for guests to be able to use that bathroom. There's a small yard in the back, which is good, not a lot of maintenance. Beautiful entrance to the kitchen, which wraps around through the dining area. Again, another beautiful fireplace. All the fireplaces are gas fireplaces. It even has a little wet bar over here, kind of tucked away. You don't see those normally in newer houses, so that's a good little effect, and they've modernized it with the fixtures, so that's always good. Over here is the garage and the laundry area, which if you've seen one laundry, I was saying if you've seen one laundry room, you've seen enough, but I want to show you the master bedroom back here. This is the wet bar with that beautiful backsplash, mirror backsplash, makes it very modern. There's an additional pantry or storage closet right there, but look at this master. It is the details for me. The crown molding across the ceiling. The flooring has all been redone. There's been a million upgrades in this home. It was just recently bought by a contractor in December and completely redone. So here's the beautiful master. I love tubs like this. I want one in my house. I love the standing faucet. Also a standing shower with multi-jet shower heads. And y'all check out this closet. First of all, double vanities across from each other, which is great for healthy marriages. And then this closet, which is to die for. So if you guys know, okay, so what I was saying was, is if you know anybody in the Plano area who is needing to move or upsize, their family is growing, I would love to be their homegirl. This is listed again at $1.2 million. It is worth every penny, so make sure you send all of your family and friends to me. I'll talk to you soon.